Hello to all my subscribers and newcomers to my video. Today I'll show you a signal that can help you achieve a 10% profit per trade. This method uses both the Binance and BigTix exchanges. Believe me, this strategy really works. Let's get started. I'll register on the video so you can follow along. On this exchange, without KYC verification, you can trade up to $200,000 per month. As you can see, the Ethereum rate on this exchange is 10% higher than on Binance. This will allow you to earn money already at the first stage. First, I buy Ethereum on Binance. Since I am 100% sure of this exchange, I will start with the amount $5,000, but you can top up with any amount. After this, we need to top up our Ethereum balance on BigTix. To do this, go to the wallet and click on the deposit. Here, select Ethereum in the list and click Show Address. Now you copy this address and go to Binance. Paste this address here, enter the entire amount, and click on Withdraw. The money was credited to the balance in a few minutes. Now all that remains for us is to profitably sell our Ethereum on spot trading. Select Ethereum and scroll down. Here we need to select our entire amount of Ethereum. Finally, click on Sell Ethereum. Great. From this transaction, we received over $5,000. Now we just need to withdraw them to Binance. To do this, go to Withdraw, select Tether USDT on the ERC20 network. Now go back to Binance to copy this address. Paste this address here and enter the entire amount. Finally, click on Withdraw and waiting the confirmation of the transaction blockchain. As you can see, in just one round, we have earned over $500. I will continue to turn this scheme, and I advise you. Now, I'll make a trade with $50,000 following the same method. So, while showing this video, I earned over $5,000. I wish you all the best. Goodbye.